Welcome back to our channel release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. HBO Documentary Films has obtained global and streaming rights to Simple as Water, a brand new documentary from Oscar winner Megan Millen, Lost Boys of Sudan, Smile Pinky, in order to hit theaters in confined launch later this year, debuting on HBO, moreover ultimately tuning in for streaming on HBO Max. Millen's movie is a meditation on the fundamental bonds among discerned and children and takes on into a Syrian household's quest for normalcy and via a whirlwind of obstacles to construct experience anew, analyzing the effect of war in addition to the separation and displacement. Megan Millen's today's documentary characteristic takes a humble idea, telling intimate and humanizing testimonies of Syrian households, these are ones stricken by their domestic country's civil war, and achieves it on a nakedly bold scale. Filmed over 5 years in 5 separate countries, Simple as Water is something, however it stays easy on the subject of technical achievements. Moreover, weaving collectively acquainted immigrant narratives, moreover in methods of manipulating to wonder and stun. The movie is an e-book ended through vignettes presenting Yasmin, a mom of 4 dwelling in a refugee camp close to dockyards of Athens, who's preventing to reunite her youngsters with their father in Germany. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest update about all series and upcoming movies. Her tale affords a constructive via line for Millen's different subjects. She provides a mind's extra devastating and unsure study the struggles of seeking to construct a brand new existence in unusual place. In Turkey, an unmarried mom has no time to take care of her youngsters, and this is because she tries to take them to an orphanage. However, her eldest son, a 12-year-old antique, has assumed the position of caretaker, and this is while she's at work, sadistically refuses to go. Simple as Water is a presentation of Principe Productions in affiliation with Inmouth Productions and Just Films of Ford Foundation. Millen produced with Robin Hessman, moreover with Hazim Obeid, Ala Hassan and Yara Hassan serving as co-producers. The doc's cinematographers have been Lars Cree, The Act of Killing, The Look of Silence, Michael Chin, Isa, The Prize, and Rafia Salameh, a younger lady created with a pseudonym. She needs to stay nameless for safety, and additionally Millen and Purcell Carson edited the movie, moreover with Hanan Townshend serving as its composer. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and update, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.